Presenting the Gaiatop Mini Handheld Fan, Portable Personal Folding Cooling Hand Fan Rechargeable Battery-Operated Power Bank. It supports long cooling time up to 24 hours cooling time in one full charge, and super long battery life. Regular USB socket, laptop, power bank or car charger, and perfect option as an external backup power bank. It can be used for mini handheld fan, easy to jam into a bag to tote around, and desktop fan or handheld fan. Mini pocket-sized handheld fan, pocket or handbag on perfect partner in hot summer when traveling, hiking, camping, etc. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.